day everyone. So in this video, we will talk about the long division and synthetic division of polynomials. So the objective of this discussion is the learner will be able to perform division of polynomials using the long division and synthetic division and solve problem involving division of polynomials. So before we start, let's have some vocabulary. Okay? So when we say polynomial expression, it is an expression of the form, in this form, where a sub n should not be equal to 0, where the non-negative integer n is called the degree of the polynomial. So this n is what we call the degree of polynomial. And a sub 0, a sub 1, and a sub n are real numbers. So a sub 0, a sub 1, a sub n, they are all real numbers. The polynomial expression must be written in a standard form. So, pag sinabi natin standard form, these are the terms. The terms of a polynomial expression are arranged in descending order of exponent of a single variable. Meaning to say that it is from highest degree to lowest. And leading coefficient of a polynomial expression p of x is the real number factor of the term with the highest exponent. Leading coefficient, it is the real number factor of the term with the highest exponent. So say for example, we have this polynomial expression. 5x cubed minus 14x squared minus 17x plus 15. Okay. 5x cubed, so this 5x cubed is what we call the leading term. So tawag dyan is leading term. And then, yung tawag naman dyan sa 5 beside x cubed is what we call the leading coefficient. So yun yung tinatawag kaninang number factor of the term that contains the highest exponent. So yung highest exponent, siya yung tinatawag nating leading term, yung may highest na exponent. Okay. And then 50 naman is what we call the constant term. So when we say constant term, this is just a number, no variable. So wala siyang katabing variable. Kadalasan, nasa last term siya palagi. Kapag yung expression is in standard form. Okay? So yan. So, in dividing whole numbers, so same lang yan na kapag nag-divide tayo ng polynomial expression. So, we have the dividend, divisor, the quotient, the remainder. So, dividing p of x by d of x. So, p of x is what we call the dividend, and then d of x is what we call the divisor, with the quotient q of x and the remainder r of x can be written in this form. P of x divided by d of x is equal to q of x plus r of x over d of x. Or, yun nga, dividend divided by divisor equals the quotient plus the remainder over the divisor. Equivalently, it is equal to p of x is equal to q of x, which is our quotient, times the divisor plus the remainder. So, they are equivalent. They are equal. Yung dividend and then this one, the quotient times the divisor plus the remainder. So let us proceed now sa long division. So pag sinabi nating long division, it is a standard algorithm used in dividing whole numbers as well as performing division of polynomials. So let's have an example. We have 5x squared minus 17x plus 15. Divided by x minus 4. Okay. First thing na tatandaan natin, dapat yung ating polynomial expression is naka-standard form siya. At wala siyang missing term. Okay. So, we have the dividend 5x squared minus 17x plus 15. So, naka-standard form na siya. And wala siyang missing term. So, you have 2, 1, 0. So, complete yung kanyang term. Same with the divisor. So, kapag okay na yun, let's write this in this form. 5x squared minus 17x plus 15 divided by x minus 4. So, to divide a polynomial, so first is we're just going to divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So that is 5x squared divided by x. So you have 5x. So isusulat mo siya dito sa may katapat na kung saan may similar yung variable and exponent niya. So you have 5x. So di ba yung ginagawa natin sa exponent is we are just going to subtract the exponent. Say for instance, we have 5x squared divided by x. So ito understood to na may 1. So 5 divided by 1, so that is 5. X squared divided by x, so ito 2. Ito understood na may exponent na 1, so that is 2 minus 1 is 1. So you have here 5x. Then you multiply 5x times x, so that is 5x squared. 5x times negative 4, so that is negative 20. Then you subtract, diba? Nagsusubtract tayo. At kapag nagsusubtract tayo ng polynomial, the sign of the subtrahend will change. So that is negative 17 minus negative 20, so you have positive 3. Why? Because yung negative, it will become positive. So, negative 17 plus 20, so that is 3x. Then, bring down 15. Then, same process, 3x divided by x, so you have plus 3. So, 3 times x, 3x. 3 times negative 4, so you have negative 12. Then, you subtract 3x minus 3x, so that is 0. 15 minus negative 12, so that is positive 27. Why? Because the sign of the subtrahend will change. So 15 plus 12 is 27. So our quotient now is 5x plus 3, and the remainder is 27. So we are going to write the final answer in this form, q of x, the quotient plus the remainder over the divisor. So our quotient is 5x plus 3, and our remainder is 27. So this is now the final answer. Our divisor is x minus 4. So let's have another example. So you have 2x squared minus 3x plus 7 divided by 2x plus 5. Okay, so naka-standard form na siya. Okay, no missing term, wala siyang nawawalang term. Same with the divisor, naka-standard form and no missing term. So let us write this in this form. 2x squared minus 3x plus 7 divided by 2x plus 5. So same process, 2x squared divided by 2x, so that is x. X times 2x, so you have 2x squared. X times 5, so you have plus 5x. Then you subtract. Negative 3x minus 5x, so that is negative 8x because it will become subtraction, negative. Then bring down 7 plus 7. Negative 8x divided by 2x, so negative 8x divided by 2x. So, negative 8 divided by negative 2, so that is positive 4. Positive 4. And then, magka-cancel yung x. Kasi, 1 minus 1 is 0. So, you have positive, negative 4. Sorry. Okay. So, ito pala is positive. Negative 8 divided by positive 2. Okay. Sorry, correction. Okay, next, negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Negative 4 times 5, so you have negative 20. Then you subtract. So, negative 8 minus negative 8. So, ito magti-change yung sign. And then magti-change yung sign. So, 0 na to. And then 7 plus 20, so that is 27. So, our quotient now is x minus 4, and the remainder is 27. So, final answer is x minus 4 plus 27 over 2x plus 5. So, yung quotient plus the remainder over the divisor. So let's have another example. We have 6x plus 50 plus 5x cubed divided by x plus 2. Okay. So first na tatanungin natin is kung naka-standard form na siya. So hindi siya naka-standard form. Second one, complete terms ba? Hindi rin complete term. So yung nawawalang term dito is we have 0x squared. So you have 3, 2, 1, and then yung constant. So x plus 2 naka-standard form na. So our standard form now is we have 5x cubed plus 0x squared plus 6x plus 50 divided by x plus 2. Okay. So we can now write this in this form. 5x cubed plus 0x squared plus 6x plus 50 divided by x plus 2. So 5x cubed divided by x, so that is 5x squared. 5x squared times x, you have 5x cubed. 5x squared times 2, so you have plus 10x squared. Then subtract. 5x cubed minus 5x cubed, so 0 na. 0 minus 10, so that is negative 10x squared. Bring down plus 6x plus 50. Same process, negative 10x squared divided by x is negative 10x. Negative 10x times x, negative 10x squared. Negative 10x times 2, so you have negative 20x. You subtract again. Negative 10x squared minus negative 10x squared, so magiging positive 2, and then 0 na. Ito rin, magiging positive si negative 20, so 6 plus 20, so that is 26x. Bring down again, plus 50. So 26x divided by x, so magka-cancel na yung x doon, so natira is 26. 26 times x, so you have 26x. 26 times 2 is plus 52. You subtract, then 26x minus 26x, 0. 50 minus 52. 50 minus 52, so that is negative 2 because yung 52 magiging negative. Okay, now the quotient is 5x squared minus 10x plus 26, and the remainder is negative 2. So our final answer is 5x squared minus 10x plus 26 plus negative 2 over x plus 2. So this is how are you going to solve using the long division. You're going to divide a polynomial using the long division. Okay, so I will be sending your activity and you are going to write this lecture on your notebook. Okay, so thank you and God bless everyone. Okay? So that ends our discussion. Thank you so much.